Hello and happy June, everybody. Here's Astro Cat. Say hello then.
Hey.
So another month just flew by, the month of May. So I just got some materials in, some new materials which I haven't used before, including a casting resin which I haven't used before. So we got parts A and B there. This is Polycraft SG2000. So we'll be trying this out shortly, so I'll make a video on that. Plus I bought this Phyllite filler powder which you can add to the resin just to pack out a bit and maybe save a little bit of money on the resin, as resin can be quite pricey. Got some polyester casting resin also. There's some videos, well there's one video on casting polyester resin, well two including like a run through on how to use it. Got a load of silicone in so we can make a mould for the Celtic mirror frame, which is a job that's been outstanding for a long time. So hopefully get on with part 2, which will be moulding the mirror frame. That video is also on the channel, well part 1's on the channel. So we've got these Trooper Buddhas. You can get these on eBay and Etsy. So as you can see we've got sort of like a distressed bronzy look, or distressed gold look on this particular Buddha. Kind of cast iron effect on this one. My mate Jason sent this through to me the other week, and it's a lovely piece, Baphomet, a sort of occult kind of figure. And this is casted in resin, beautiful piece, and I think how they've casted this is to mix in metallic powder into the resin to give a coat around the mould, and then you wire wool off to get that lovely metallic effect. What a beautiful sculpture that is. I'll try and update my Amazon storefront, and you can find the link in the description below, so that'll include materials which we use here, plus all kind of objects which get mentioned throughout the videos. So I'm trying to compile the storefront so it makes it easier for people to go to one place and find materials, because I get a lot of questions asking where'd you get this and where'd you get that. You can go straight to the Amazon storefront and everything should be in place, but that's a constantly evolving thing anyway, so I'll have to add to that as we go along. So I acquired this lovely looking cockerel, which is casted in resin. I want to mould this up, and this is going to be a challenge because you've got the feathers on the back which are kind of like all over the place and quite intricate, so that's going to be a challenge moulding. Well, what a beautiful piece this is. This is a dream come true. This is the first time I've come into possession of a big, make of that what you will. So we managed to squeeze in a couple of painting videos over May, including this dragon plaque, which of course some of you have seen. So this is on the channel, how to create these effects. So you've got a silver mixed with stone effect on this particular plaque. And of course we did the dark wash on the gargoyle, and that gargoyle now has found a safe home to live in. All sorts coming up this month, and we'll see what happens there. If anybody wants to make any suggestions of what they'd like to see on the channel, please write a comment in the description below. And also, a lot of people say they got some photos, so feel free to post your photos, videos, whatever in my community tab. And anybody interested in concrete casting, moulding, painting effects and all that sort of thing, check out www.diymolds.com. The only requirement is for people to participate once they signed up, and away you go. So anyway, thanks for watching, and over and out for now.